Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Kinemaster application on your PC. There is no official dedicated application for Kinemaster for your PC, but you can go ahead and use an Android emulator to get it installed for your PC. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser and make sure you download an Android emulator. You can go ahead and type in BlueStacks.com, and from the official website of BlueStacks, go ahead and select the See All version option from the official website. Now, click on the Download BlueStacks 10 option or the 5 option depending upon your choice. You can also go ahead and look for the other download options depending upon your device type. Click on the download button according to your device type and then wait for the download process to complete. Once the BlueStacks Android emulator is installed, click on Open File and start installing it on your PC. Click on the Install Now button and wait for the Android emulator to complete setting up. Once the application is downloaded, go ahead and launch the app. Open. Now, click on the App Player button on the left-hand menu after you open up the BlueStacks Android emulator, and this will open up the BlueStacks App Player. Now, once the BlueStacks App Player is loaded up, go to the search box at the top and type in Kinemaster. Now, you will need to sign into your Google Play account in order to start the application download process. Click the Sign In button and sign in using your Google account's credentials. Now, enter your email address or your phone number associated with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account already, you will need to create one by clicking on Create Account and following the prompts. After entering your credential, click the Next button, and on the next page, it'll ask you to enter your Google account's password. Enter your password in the text box and finally click on the Next button. Once you're signed into your Google account, you will then be able to start downloading Kinemaster for your PC. Wait the application to download and install, and you can then start using Kinemaster from your Android emulator. So that is how you can easily download Kinemaster for your PC in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.